and then the clock off.
Oh, well,
That phone says a
Sorry,
minute.
I guess.
Town of Tryon Board of Trustees Special Meeting, September 19th, 2024, 6 p.m., First Baptist Church, 122 North 1st. Agenda, number 1, call to order. Number 2, roll call.
Sandy here.
Richard here.
Amanda here.
Mary Lee here. Number 3, consideration, discussion, and action on the fire department repairs invoice for the bay door.
You're up.
That's my cue, huh?
Yep.
So this is the invoice. We already had the work done.
Uh-huh.
We had to have it done. We had the door down. The spring broke on it. We had both springs replaced. Had a stiffener plate put in on that door because it was tearing the top of the door out. And maintenance on the rest of the doors because they haven't had anything done to them in who knows how
Ages.
long.
Yeah.
10 years.
And 2 new remotes, one for our new truck and one for extra.
That's not bad for all that.
I thought that was a pretty good price.
Yeah. I know that guy personally, so he
Yeah, he cut your deal. Well, that's
It
good.
doesn't work if you can't get out, get it right.
yeah, we'd have to pick a different door, but yeah, that's our main door.
Or go through the delivery.
Or make a door.
Make it door.
Yeah.
You want to make the motion?
I make a motion that we approve the invoice for $705.50 for repairs made to the bay doors on the fire department.
Sandy seconds.
Richard, yes.
Mary Lee, yes. Number 4, adjourn.
Make a motion, we adjourn.
I'll second the motion.
Yes.
Ricky, yes. Fastest meeting in history.
Beat last time.
Did we?
Yeah, 6:01. Last time was 6:05.
So, I have a question. Can that be paid out of our operational grant money when we get it?
It should be able to, because that would be maintenance and
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, we haven't got it yet, but we should get it within, yeah.
I say we go ahead and pay it and then reimburse ourselves out of the operational fund.
Yep.
Pierce seconded the
Me.
adjournment,
I did.
Oh,
and then you seconded the invoice.
yeah.
After all that full piece, I go home and put them in a notebook.
So can I get a check for that and take it to him like Monday or?
Yeah, just, yeah, I was supposed to say if you stop in tomorrow, are you gonna be around tomorrow?